Hello everyone, welcome to Simplilearn's YouTube channel, and also welcome to another exciting video from Simplilearn based on Java games. Yes, you heard me right, games. This particular video is based on the interview questions asked in some of the most popular MNC companies such as Amazon, Google and IBM. Yes, the question about gaming is an integral part of interview questions from the top MNC companies to test the object-oriented programming skills of a developer. Now, there are not a lot of games that we will be discussing today. There are three most frequently asked gaming questions, that are the snake game, puzzle game and the ping pong game. So we have open sourced this particular code from Google and GitHub, and we have also placed the links in the description box below, and along with that, and also I have personally made a document of all the codes used in this particular video for you so that you can have access to it and try the code in your own local system. So the first game that we will be discussing today is the snake game. So this particular snake game is most frequently asked in the top MNC companies such as Amazon and Flipkart. Now let's get into the Eclipse window and try to execute the code. So now we are in the Eclipse window, and on my screen you can see a code based on the simple snake. So basically this particular snake game on my screen has the snake, trees and its directions based on the keystroke you give, that is right, left, up, down, etc. And the start game option and stop the game option, like if you want to pause it in the middle. And after that the energy used, treats eaten, moving snake, grow snake, etc, etc. So now we'll try to start this game and see how it functions. Yeah, there you go. You can see that the program got started and the output is on my screen. So you just need to click to start. So there you go, the snake is around here. It's actually fun to play. So that's how you program it. And don't worry about the code. The open source GitHub link for this particular code is placed in the description box below, and this particular code is also written as a text document, and that text document is also attached in the description box below. Now we will move ahead with our next game. So the next game is the puzzle game. So this particular game is asked in some of the popular MNC companies like Google. Now let's look into the code, which is really simple, and try to execute this on the Eclipse. So now we are back on the Eclipse. So you can see on my screen we have the code for the alphabet puzzle game that we are going to execute. So basically this particular alphabet is going to have 3 rows and 3 columns. So in total we'll be having 9 cells, out of which 8 cells will be occupied. So one particular cell, which is a 9th cell, will be empty for the motions. Now we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H, and one empty space, which is a block B8. Now let's try to execute this code and see the output. So there you go, the program got successfully executed and we have the puzzle game on my screen right now. So you can see it's almost already arranged, luck by chance maybe. So just let's click on the edge. So now you can see that we have won the particular game, and it is in the ordered sequence, that is A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. Since we have done the arrangement proper, the game shows we have won. Congratulations, you won. Now let's just press OK and let's continue with our next game. So the third game that we will be discussing today will be about the ping pong game. So this particular ping pong game is asked in some of the famous MNC companies like IBM. Now let's try to execute this particular code on the Eclipse window and see the output. So now we are back on the Eclipse window. So this particular game will have 3 classes, that is the ball class, which is the movement of the ball. Next we have the paddle, which is all about the boat and the paddles that we play with. And next the Pong. This particular class is all about how the code runs or how the game runs. Now let's try to execute this particular program and see the output. So there you go, the program got successfully executed and we have the Pong game over here. Yeah, so that's how you play it. Please don't worry about the codes. We have the open source GitHub links for all the games we have used in the description box below. Along with that, we have also placed a text document of all the codes used in this particular video. You can have access to it and try to execute that code in your local system. So with that, we have come to an end of this particular video on Java games. So the gaming type of questions are basically asked from the popular MNC companies to test the object-oriented programming skills of the developer. If you have any queries about the codes covered in this particular video, please ask away in the comment section below. Our team of experts will be happy to solve your queries, and thank you for watching. Stay safe and keep learning.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.